Oh, you spent 3 months working on your logo, but you haven't started your business yet, really? Nobody cares about your logo, really. Like, I see so many new business owners who are starting a business, or entrepreneurs, and they spend so much time on branding, and they think about like, what kind of logo should I have, and they do brainstorming, and they go on all different platforms and do like logo competitions to find a logo, and then they think about coloring and like, what is like the font that expresses the personality of myself, that is also in alignment with like the company culture I'm trying to build. And they're trying to think like in all kinds of depth and directions in terms of brand building that is completely and utterly irrelevant. Seriously, like, what you should be focused on if you're starting a new business, the company name and the logo should be the least of your concern. You want to focus on building a business that's profitable. You want to focus on building relationship with customers that want to buy from you again. You want to focus on developing and increasing the quality of your products and services, of improving your ROI, of getting to the market faster, of getting more clients to buy more frequently at higher amounts. This is what you want to focus on. And if you focus on those qualities, you make more money, you have more time, and then you can think about changing a logo, getting a new and better logo, or to change your branding, because then you actually have some feedback from some real customers and they can tell you, we really like this kind of energy that you're putting out there, or we like really this and this and this benefit. And once you understand, once you actually have customers and the customers tell you what they like about your product, why they are loyal returning customers, then you have some information that you can give a good designer that can actually make something incredible. That's enhancing what's already there. Branding is something that is enhancing what is already there. You can't fake authenticity. You can't create the impression that there is something of value if there is no value. You can't fake it, that there is like a good product if your product sucks and is shitty. You can't create the aura of like a great community if people don't want to buy from you again, or they don't feel like loyal to your brand. You have to build those things first, and then you start building a logo. Okay, so what? Like now, should have no logo and no company name? No, you can start with any company name. Any company name is good enough. Think about a stupid name like Google. If someone, think about like you had no memory of like the last 20 years. If someone came to you and said like, I have developed this new company logo and the company name is called Google, Google. And people would say, what a stupid name. And the colors looks like a rainbow. Nobody has like this kind of design. People would laugh at you. Why don't they laugh today anymore? Because the company has such a great product. People using it every day. It has become like a verb. People Google things. And because of that fact, people will associate all their good feelings with the company name and the logo, however stupid the logo might seem and appear on the first glance. A logo is built. You can always change your company name. You can always do a rebranding. You can always get like a completely new logo. There is no need. But thinking about your logo and your branding before you're building any products, before you're having any customers, is the most stupidest thing on earth that you can do. So please focus on building a business first, then think about improving your branding second. What do you think? Do you think logo and branding is more important than developing a product and services, or to building good relationship with loyal customers who want to buy from you over and over again? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure that you follow me for more awesome marketing strategies and LinkedIn content.